Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss that how to cast your mobile screen to your TV so that you can watch your mobile content on big screen on your TV. To cast your mobile screen, your TV should have a screencast or screen mirroring feature. By using this feature, you can watch your videos, images on big screen on your TV. I'll show you the full process of screen mirroring. So watch the entire video and do subscribe to the channel for more related videos. So without wasting a time, let's begin. So friends, as you can see, this is my Android TV Sony Bravia and it has a feature of screen mirroring. So first of all, you need to open your home screen on your TV. Then go to the input section. In an input setting, you will get to see so many options here. So down below there is a screen mirroring option. So just click on that. So friends, we have just enabled the screen mirroring option on TV and it is showing the device name. Now in the next step, you need to take a mobile which you want to cast on your TV. So this is my mobile Realme 9 Pro Plus. Now just go to the setting and just click on connection and sharing option. In this section you will get to see screencast option, so just click on that. Now just click on search for display device option. Now it will take a few seconds to search and detect your TV. So friends, as you can see, it is showing the device name of your TV. So just click on that. So friends, as you can see, this is my mobile and it is connected to the TV with screen mirroring and my mobile screen is visible to the TV screen. Now you can watch your mobile content on your TV without of any problem. You can watch and stream your videos and images here, and whatever you do in your mobile, it will show to your TV. So this was a video about how to cast your mobile screen to your TV. So please do like and share to this video and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.